When I say that you can think like Einstein, that doesn't necessarily mean revealing the mysteries of the universe, although it could. When you think like Einstein, you are solving tough problems, just like him, using the techniques that we know he used. Einstein was always brilliant, and we will represent his intelligence with a horizontal line. We will represent his knowledge as an upward sloping line. His knowledge of physics and mathematics started out pretty basic, but increased steadily throughout his life as he learned more and as he and others made significant discoveries. We will also represent his access to resources as an upward sloping line. Early on, he just had his wife and some young friends to help him. Later on, he had access to the resources of the entire scientific community of the world. If brilliant solutions were based solely on intelligence, knowledge, and access to resources, we would expect Einstein's greatest problem-solving output to have been later in life. It wasn't. Beginning in 1905, just out of university, Einstein had a prolonged period of truly revolutionary thinking. With 4 papers written late at night after work, he started science down the road of relativity, quantum mechanics, atomic theory, and mass energy equivalence. It was a miraculous year. He continued solving tough problems for an incredible 20 years, making discoveries that we have only recently verified. And then, Einstein's problem-solving ground to a halt. He continued to work hard on important problems, including a theory unifying all physical phenomena. He claims to have spent 100 times more effort on resolving quantum physics problems than he had spent on relativity. He was still brilliant. He knew even more about physics and math. He had uninterrupted time for his work and regular collaboration with the world's greatest minds. But he didn't make any more breakthroughs. It was the absolute reverse of what we would expect. We know why. Einstein, the kid just out of school, made astounding discoveries because he was breaking rules. Einstein, the wise old genius, didn't make discoveries because he was trapped by his own rules, rules that he couldn't bring himself to break. To think like Einstein, you've got to break the rules.